So this is how to make your slap house more interesting and add that ear candy effect. Now this is without. And this is with the reverse effect. So to start with, select the note that you want to reverse. Now make sure the other elements are muted. And now we only have this note to play with. Now open Edison. If you don't know where Edison is located, you can usually select any plugin from a channel track, and you should have Edison in this column. Now make sure you record the note. Now you can use this tool to just drag. Now select the options. Reverse it. So this is how the final result should look like. I've added an extra layer of reverse. Turn on your swing. Follow for more tips and tricks. Baby, I can make that pussy rain.